In 2015, the United Nations published a massive global to-do list, 17 sustainable development goals aimed at eradicating poverty, halting climate change, and building sustainable cities. Looking at targets of that sheer magnitude, it is difficult to see how any single institution can actually move the needle on such abstract metrics. The Times Higher Education Impact Rankings address this by serving as a scorecard, measuring exactly how universities deliver on these global promises. This certificate for the Industrial University of Ho Chi Minh City, or IUH, provides the raw data. In 2026, the university placed in the 801 to 1,000 bracket globally, out of over 1,600 institutions. This grid highlights their specific goal performance, specifically their placement in the top 300 worldwide for affordable and clean energy. This global footprint starts at the smallest possible unit of measurement, initiating a ripple effect that expands through each layer of the university. To solve global issues, an institution must first address its own immediate community. This infographic shows the university's demographic foundation. Out of 8,000 new enrollments, roughly 35% are first-generation students. IUH removes financial barriers for these students through an 80 billion VND scholarship fund and targeted tuition exemptions for those facing severe economic hardship or disasters. These localized financial initiatives map directly to the UN targets for ending poverty and ensuring quality education. Securing this human capital is the first ring of the ripple effect, providing the talent pool necessary to later address systemic technological challenges. As the scale expands to the campus grounds, IUH treats its physical infrastructure as a living laboratory. Their top-tier ranking in clean energy is supported by physical audits and the systematic installation of solar power systems across their facilities. The university is currently working toward a goal of transitioning campus lighting to run on 50 to 100% renewable energy. Everyday operations reinforce these targets through a single-use plastic-free mandate and a procurement policy that prioritizes certified sustainable products. Turning the campus into a closed-loop testing ground allows the university to verify its environmental policies before they are applied elsewhere. The ripple effect eventually reaches the surrounding city and national industry. This chart shows the university's increasing technical output, with research-related revenue reaching an estimated 8,000 billion VND in 2024. This revenue is generated by a cohort of 660 STEM lecturers who collaborate with enterprises on issues like industrial wastewater treatment and urban climate resilience. Beyond technical research, the university deploys student volunteers for rural infrastructure projects and maintains a 10 billion VND startup fund to support local entrepreneurs. By connecting academic research directly to industrial needs, IUH aligns its technical output with the infrastructure requirements of SDG 9. At the final scale, these regional actions contribute to the targets of SDG 17, Partnerships for the Goals. IUH shares its data and expertise internationally through collaborations with ASEAN on quality assurance, EU Erasmus Plus projects on plastic waste, and policy advising for national climate targets. The strategy for 2026 to 2030 scales these efforts even further, with a planned 150 billion VND Future Scholars Fund and a new multi-industry innovation spin-off accelerator. A dedicated clean energy innovation hub is also planned to incubate green technologies, supporting the broader national energy transition. A moment of wonder. The THE Impact Rankings provide empirical evidence for this bottom-up strategy. They demonstrate that the world's most daunting goals can be addressed through the compounding weight of localized education.